Hello, my friends, followers, listeners, and dear traders. How are you all? Hope all be fine and doing very awesome trading. As I promised, soon will be update you the binary tick trading strategy. So today, gonna show you this point how we trade successfully and faced no loss. First of all, choose the pair 10-1 as index. Look here, okay, and strategy type is higher and lower, okay, and that barrier offset will be 7.55. 7.55. Okay, make sure you have a faster internet connection. Okay, and the second thing, how we set up this chart. Look here, many people don't understand how we set up the chart of index market. So simply click on this one tick, minute one, and you will see the candlestick complete chart. And look here, that candlestick chart appear. If you want to add indicators, simply this third option, click on indicators and select any indicator you want to add here. As yesterday I told you to add a stochastic accelerator. Look here, stochastic fast accelerator. Okay, simply select and add levels, nothing, and just okay. And now it's time to trade. How we trade using this strategy. Look here, as I told you, the doji candles. Someone asked me what is the doji candle, so I will give you. Look here, that pattern, all patterns available here. Simply click on doji, you will understand what is doji. Look here, all information available on broker website. Okay, look here, as you seen, is showing you the D, its mean is the doji candlestick. Okay, now it's time to trade. And look here, is also the doji candle. I'm looking at this one. And now it's time to trade. And let me place the trade of 5 ticks using 70.7.5 barrier offset and the purchase the lower contract. And let's see how we continuously win and no face any loss. Look here, the contract is won, and let's move on chart. And look here, as I told you, this candle have no any move. Look here, this candle also have no any move. Okay, but it's moving. Now we have to wait for this. Look here, it's not moving. It's 7.55 points, so we'll place a trade. Let's purchase a contract, and look here, we won again. That's why we won again, cause of this candle have no any move. But doji is my recommendation, use on doji. Okay, and look, it is again a bullish candle is rising but have no any move. So now it's time to trade. Let's purchase a contract. This contract also won. So it's a very simple and very easy strategy. I will request you to follow instructions and must watch these candles and understand all things. Okay, all things available here, just simply set and try to understand. Hope all guys understand and you all guys make awesome profit. That's my recommendation, is a daily $5 and $10. And if you have a big capital, no problem, take a $20, $50, no problem. Thanks for watching. I hope you all guys understand.